Hey guys, Bryan here from Liquid Concepts. So today we're going to talk a little bit about speed shapes. And so you guys have probably seen me do a bunch of these. If you follow any of our TikTok videos, we do a lot of those just for pretty much just product showcases, or maybe you've even seen a lot of the YouTube videos that we do. And so you've probably seen these 100 times already. But let's talk about what they are and why they are really important for our industry. So these speed shapes right here are a specifically designed plastic, which is an ABS plastic that we can actually dip directly to, which makes it really nice because then if we need to showcase a product or we need to show the customer something, we can quickly and easily grab these, and it does two things. Number one, it makes it a lot quicker and a lot easier for us to take and just dip it if we need a white base coat, and because these are ready to be dipped. So we can take this right here and we don't have to wipe it down. We don't have to do anything to it. We can just grab it, dip it in the water, and the print will actually bond to the plastic, which makes it very, very nice. Now, the one thing to keep in mind is that these speed shapes are made specifically for that. So if you have another plastic that you're thinking about trying, it probably won't work, mainly because it is not the specific ABS that it needs to be bonded correctly. So you definitely want to make sure that it is the right type of plastic, or else it's just going to slide right off the part. But these make it really quick, really efficient. And the other nice thing is that you now have the option of different colors. So you can clearly see we have a lot of different colors, from green to white to purple, black, yellow, red, and we're even trying to work on a couple of other colors that we're going to be coming out with. So that way you don't even have to base coat these, whereas normally we only had a white and black, and then we had to base coat those whatever color that we needed. So now that we're offering a lot more colors, the users are able to use a lot of these colors for different things. And if you have a black and clear, if you have a clear print with another color, then it makes it really nice, because then of course the color shows through the speed shape itself. One of the other nice things that we really like about these speed shapes is that they are not just a flat surface. So you do have a lot of curves, convex and concave curves on this right here, which makes it really nice, because whenever you are dipping, you can see how the pattern flows over the part itself and how it may look whenever it's stretched just a little bit as it goes around the sides or something like that. And also it gives a customer something to look and to feel and things like that. And they are also not using something that may be very expensive and then possibly they drop it and now they've broke it or something like that. These speed shapes are very inexpensive, and so whenever you're just using these to showcase a different film or a different color or something like that, those are going to be invaluable for your business on showing what you need or what the customer wants. So then that way they can see it firsthand and they know exactly what it's going to look like before you put it on their actual part itself. So looking at this right here, we've just grabbed a couple of different samples that we've done over the years, and you can clearly see how easy it would be to have a product like this right here, say this white speed shape, and then we're able to dip it in a camouflage, in possibly a marble pattern, or even like a cow or some type of spotted pattern, and even with the black itself, even a carbon fiber. And so it makes it very, very nice, because then you're able to just take the speed shape itself. We do no prep work to it. We dip it in, we show the customer exactly what it's going to look like, and then of course we can clear coat it with either a flat clear or a gloss clear like this, and then you're ready to go. You have the speed shape in case any other customers want to see it, as well as it gives them something to feel and to see exactly how it's going to look. Now, let's say that you did want to use a different base color, you wanted a beige or some specific exact color. These are very easy to paint. So all you're gonna need to do is quickly give it a good scuff with either a red Scotch-Brite or something like that, and then you can just paint directly over that. Now, that is not going to be the best durability, but let's be honest, these are just for show, so it's not like it's going to be used and bent and anything like that. So that's going to be more than enough adhesion for the paint to stick to this type of plastic. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed this video. Of course, if you have any questions or comments, then definitely leave them below. We'd always love to hear from you on anything Hydrographics related, and let me know your thoughts on the speed shapes. If you've used any of these, or if you'd like to see any colors, we'd always love to have that feedback from you guys as well. If you're interested in purchasing any of these, you can check out the links in the description. We're going to have links to the website where you can check out these speed shapes here, as well as anything else that you're going to need for the hydrographics industry, including paints, primers, film, tanks, training, and so much more. It is all there on the website, so definitely check that out. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. We'd always love to have you subscribe to our weekly tips and tricks on anything in the water transfer printing industry. I'm Bryan from Liquid Concepts, and this is how we customize your world. We'll see you guys next time.